We will look at how to create a simple tennis ball in Blender. So if you have to create a low poly object which is just going to be a part of a bigger scene, then simply adding a texture map will solve your problem. Unless you want something which is close up and more detailed, then you follow the second part of the tutorial to create a proper geometry for the ball and the fur. All right. So I'll delete this one and go to add mesh UV sphere. Okay. Object shade smooth. Now we need a texture. So we'll go to the materials, add a new material, and we'll add a texture. So this is the texture that I found online. So I went to freepik.com and searched for tennis ball texture, and this is what we are going to use. Okay. So if you look at the uh, shaded mode, you'll see the tennis ball is actually ready to use. Now you can simply use this one, but if you want a little bit of definition, then you can add bump map. So if you go to shading, here you have the image texture. You should simply go to Shift A and search for bump. So you can type BU or B and then bump will appear and you add a bump node. So you take the color to height and normal to normal and you will get roughness, but it is coming out, so you invert it and then you reduce it to your liking. Okay, so you will get a ball which looks good enough if a character is playing tennis or something, where you don't need to focus too much on the ball. But if you want to show the ball up close, then follow the next tutorial where we will create detailed tennis ball. Thank you.